Nestled in the heart of every new city is an old world era that charms one in the most mesmerizing way. I'm here in Old Town Central to explore the roots and culture of Hong Kong. Old Town Central is an iconic location in Hong Kong. If you want to explore Hong Kong, this is the best place. That's because the old and the new, the traditional and the innovative, the East and the West, they all collide and coexist here together. And this is the best way to explore Hong Kong, its food and its beautiful culture. The new and the old, like both are starkly different, but still have their best to offer. I'm going to sample the best with some food. If there's one thing the people of Hong Kong love the most in desserts, it's their egg tarts. The best egg tart in Hong Kong comes from Tai Cheong Bakery. I have to stand in queue and wait for my turn to get my portion of egg tart. This dessert is absolutely famous in Hong Kong. The aroma of crispy cookie crust and sweet egg custard just becomes too much to resist. While egg tart might be the new favorite, do remember that the best of old world still coexists. I'm talking about the famous sugarcane juice found right here in the heart of the city. I am at Kung Lee, a sugarcane juice shop which was opened in 1948 and is still the best out there. I'm trying the sugarcane jelly. It's like eating sugarcane juice. After trying the best of Hong Kong food, I feel it's time to give the taste buds some rest and the soul some exercise. And I happen to know just the right place for this, the Man Mo Temple. Where I am is Man Mo Temple in Hong Kong, and people worship two gods in this temple. First, the god of literature and knowledge, and second, the martial god. What people really want is good grades and some good quality education for their kids. At the same time, the strength to protect their family and their loved ones. Being a Desi at heart, I admit my chai is one we make back home, and I'm told the closest I can get to it is by trying the Hong Kong milk tea. Now I know. Why is it called the silk stocking tea? This tea is so playful, and brewing the tea in this way does not make it bitter and yet makes it stronger in taste. Sitting on a small wooden chair kept on a bench is a very old style of sitting and drinking Hong Kong tea, and I'm happy doing it. I love the food here, and to find out where the ingredients of all these beautiful dishes come from, I explored Lok Fu Market. As old as it might be, this market still boasts of modern amenities and services. A place for all your fresh produce needs, the Lok Fu Market is most popular for its oyster bar and sushi shops. Language can be a big barrier, but here, not to worry, as the people are really sweet and helpful, just like my friend. So, the more I look around this market, I see produce from across the world.
Correct, because Hong Kong is a very worldwide city, and then we have all sort of ingredients come from around the world, from Japan, from Korea, from New Zealand, everywhere.
Hong Kong is a place where people from across the world come here to work, and because there are such different people, their requirement of food is different, and hence a market like this, the Lok Fu Market, you see produce from across the world.
Yes.
And for a chef like me, it's very exciting because I get to pick and choose different ingredients, mix and match them, and create some quality food.
Exactly. Some people will say if you travel to Hong Kong or if you stay here, you will never feel hungry because you can find food everywhere.
Absolutely. While the old Lok Fu remains the one-stop stop for a diverse variety of fresh produce, the very new wine and dine trend is making its mark on the Hong Kong food scene. Let's find out what's the buzz is all about. Hong Kong, the city that knows how to party with Great Seal, now hosts one of the most sought-after wine events around the world. Hong Kong Food and Wine Festival is one of the biggest and the best carnivals that takes place in Hong Kong. The Wine and Dine Festival, a celebration that attracts both locals and tourists alike, marks the beginning of the Hong Kong Great November Feast. What sets it apart is its strategic location, wine tasting events to gastronomic indulgence, and from street carnivals to curated meals by master chefs along the stunning views of Victoria Harbour. As one stands here, this looks stunning as not only there are lights in the venue, but the whole city seems to glitter for this carnival in a festive style. The fest has a lot more to offer, like cheese, beers, single malts, blended whiskies, and a variety of eating joints. You just can't miss this humongous wine and dine treat. Unlimited food, unlimited wine, but limited time. As much as we love to travel, all journeys have to come to an end. This is the end of my cultural journey here in Hong Kong. Hope yours starts soon.